Have you noticed that Google search is actually looking a lot different nowadays? There's this weird new thing at the top of the search engine result page called the AI overviews. So what are the AI overviews exactly? The AI overview is this AI generated summary of the topic that you are searching. So basically it's Google's attempt to answer whatever search query you have directly at the top of the search engine results page. This is actually like a big thing when it comes to search engine optimization and digital marketing. What we are seeing right now with a lot of companies is that whenever that that AI overview is there at the search engine results page, we are seeing quite a sharp decline in the click-through rates and clicks from the organic links in those search engine results. So this is of course very important for digital marketing because a lot of companies are really relying on that organic traffic coming from their SEO optimized content. And now Google is answering a lot of those queries at the top of the search engine results already with this AI overview. So I was at this very cool event this week called B2B SEO in the era of AI overviews, where we were discussing things like how has this impacted different companies and what are the best practices to actually show up in those AI overviews, to get your brand mentioned in those. I'll try to summarize, I think, the key kind of things, what was said in that event. So I think one thing is really clear. To get good visibility in those AI overviews and in kind of AI-based searches in general, the basics of SEO are still there. You should create content that showcases your experience, your expertise, your authority, and your trustworthiness. So the basics of EEAT, as Google puts them, but also all the kind of standard off-page optimization. So building authority links, getting your brand mentioned in good context in high authority websites and high authority places across the web. But then there's things that seem to be working better to get content showing up in the AI overviews. For example, having good structure in your content and using structured data. For example, schema markup is this one thing, using, for example, FAQ markup for your FAQ sections on your website. And also using maybe shorter paragraphs and really kind of simple, clear to understand language. That seems to be what the AIs are preferring currently. So simple and clear language, and this kind of question and answer pairs. So what is the best use for X, and then answering that question. Still kind of basics of SEO, but a little bit different. I think it has to be said that I don't think nobody really has a good understanding yet on how to influence your visibility